is we apply for, not for alignment, but
the mental health service sector, the behavioral health service
Yes.
sector. And that, just a little bit of credit around is that there, we have an allocated amount that is designated for Benito County-based population science. My department is responsible, and there's a lot of change under position that happen under Proposition 1, so we have a huge heavy lift to get the behavioral services plan by the state by March 30th, draft by March 31st, but that money is ours. So that's
2026, of course.
Yes, yeah. Okay. We currently have mental health services funding, and for example, they're utilizing to offset costs for the mental crisis along with other programs.
Okay, so where I just end to be able to say where my biggest concerns are, and I'm sure you guys know because I've even expressed it at the panel with me, is if we're providing services that are no longer going to be covered through subvention funds, and we aren't being reimbursed for those services, and coming to general fund without having any idea of what's going to be is almost impossible for us to be able to budget for. So understanding being within the vent funds to have and come back to some of the impacts so that we can make the decisions at a policy level, it's where my big concern is. So I thank you all, your presentations. It opened a lot of conversation, but we need to dive a lot deeper and appreciate all the work they did to bring us forward.
Of course, just saying nothing maybe provides a little bit of assurance because we are in process of getting community feedback for the Behavioral Health Services Act plan that we'll be submitting. Part of my research right now is to see can we earmark funding for individuals who are indigent and utilize the Behavioral Health Services Act fund to cover those costs. And it will only be individuals that have really those severe mental health conditions, but that is something that my department is looking to. Okay. And then just more little returns. Individuals said that the $5 pay will not apply to behavioral health care when that kicks in place.
Okay, thank you.
Very much. Thank you for your information. My own one recommendation would be that as we these quarter budget dates to have more refined information to what financial impacts are and how the department will make adjustments, whether shifting from all funds in HS behavioral health or to cut service. Unfortunately, I think would be good to have a sort of regular updates for those budget reviews that we have slated. Thank you. For we'll move on to 2.2 is CO and end of budgeted resolution totaling $1.795 for 5 divisions of Dulce Sanso.
Good name, Dulce Sanso, Principal Administrative Analyst. So the IB for you includes eight budget adjustments needed for year-end adjustment that brought forth by the court. So the total is approximately close to 1.8 million, and reflects actual expenses after the fourth quarter and operational needs needing this adjustment. So the first one is for the District Attorney and Public Defender AB 09 funding. SPED had zero allocated in it, and we did inks appropriations of $111,902. And this would recognize the revenue and the interest, and also transfer out that division does to cover a portion of the public defender. The next adjustment is 1,000, and the adjustment needed to reallocate and cover high costs, state-mandated premiums, psychiatric service increase, liability entirety charges. Health and Human Services has 3 budget adjustments that are that total $908,000, and this includes an adjustment to the youth program of $75,500, foster care assist for $332,000, and Cal Works assistant $500,000, and this was due to rising caseloads. Next one is the Agriculture Commissioner's vision for mosquito abatement. This is an increase in appropriations $76,572 due to increase of an anticipated retirement cover. This because non-general fund we cover from fund balance. So that's there. And there are 2 budget adjustments for resource management agency, $30,640 for parks, and separate $75,400 for developer fee. And this relates to transfers to support through the rest of the year, so legal costs associated with those particular projects. So for your consideration, the adjustments ensure financial alignment with actual expenditures, maintaining stability, and for your who are making assessment are here, you have particular adjustments, but for consideration, there are 8 budget adjustments, resolutions attached to the item.
Thank you very much for that. We have public comment.
If you'd like to make comment, members provide a speaker card on Zoom. Please press R9 to raise the icon.
Thank you. I'm so in for this at the weekend, and I just wondering, I haven't needed any documents. It wasn't really listed. You went over it past spring, summer. Where exactly and how is it listed regarding the money's Proposition 172 and the allocations? How much money come in? It's supposed to be $5 million. And where is it going? Who's getting what? And the public still has been asking this for a long time, for a month now. Still see it. You have a right note, how many's been in, and exactly what parts for say you're getting. So if it can't be reported today, I strongly suggest and request they get reported as possible. This is going on months now. So, with an answer. Thank you.
I have no further public comment.
Thank you very much. We'll bring it to the board. We have CEO, Council Cohen.
Good morning. I just want to clarify this item is essentially to identify revenues during the fiscal year 2024-2025. Failing to do this assessment, it will impact the closing of the last year, the fiscal year from last year. So it's an effort we're making to represent the books the way they're supposed to be represented by having those appropriations the right fiscal year. Otherwise, this will be impacting the upcoming budget. So every year, the closing, you're going to following as well. Though it has to be represented the current funding fiscal year, which has been done for years. Just a comment. Thank you.
Thank you, CEO. Anyone get started? Super Crew.
So I have a couple questions. So bring us down to a simplistic level. We're looking last fiscal year and allocations that are revenues that were should be revenue. How we put them in the system? I'm trying to think of ERP. You have, a revenue coming you have that you haven't received yet. So you have a revenue coming, and it's from services in this fiscal year, but you haven't received yet. If you receive it this fiscal year, in this fiscal year budget, it is the prior fiscal year's budget. So in order to make it very transparent and have, working with Paul, I don't see him in the audience, but how Joel, as my former boss, made these things is you have to have your revenue badges